Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino. Another very boring day in Tesla. Potential double top still valid in place. Just look at the daily chart right now. If we get a move down below this 991.50 area, the daily rotation zone, which is what we're really paying attention to now, is about 981.50. If we drop below that, we're going to start watching towards the bottom of the rotation zone down at 930. And then if we do get a close below 908.50, it does trigger the double. As this comes in contact, let's just jump to that 4 hour real quick. You can see it's holding right at the rotation zone, just drifting sideways. So there's going to be some minor support about 972. I'm really focused on the daily chart, though. To the upside, levels are all still the same because we haven't really done anything in a few days. So just to recap, above 1027, we're looking at 1042.22, 1057.07, and 1070.34. We're still really paying attention to it. It hasn't been able to get any traction, and we're still really paying attention to this potential double. Again, this is not anywhere close triggering yet, or nor confirms these levels to the downside. Only hold if this is triggered. So if you want Tesla, we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.